Hello there, my name is Em in EMCsoft. In one of my previous videos, I explained how you can use customer communication robots. And this video is a business case, how we can use customer communication robots together with business forms. And in this video, I will show you the logic. If you've got different CRM forms published on your website, and depending on which CRM forms customer left their data, you're sending them different documents, different PDF file, for example. Okay, let's go. So we go into the CRM forms, click more, adds on CRM forms, and let's create one of a form. Okay, so we'll collect contact data of client. Okay, so we will not change these fields. We'll need first name, last name, email, phone number, and so we need to create a lead. Once client will fill that data, we need to create a lead. Okay, so you can also need to have agreements anyway, and for that you can create a new one, create user agreement, and you have no text of it. You can go to our website, EMCsoft.io, go to contacts, click here, and copy this text, and paste here, and copy subject, paste here as well, and save. Okay, so by clicking that, your clients will see that that text. Right, so then you go to the default values. So you need to say that, go to default values and add the field. And so inside of the lead, you should have some field which identify that this is a form number 1. Okay, so we will close that for now, and we go to the leads. So we go into the leads, we open any lead, and inside of that lead, we create field in any section. Create field, and it will be, we're going to create a list. The list here. Using Call Center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else. And here we type form number form 1, and then form 2. So it could be form 3, and you can put here any name. Okay, right. So that means that we can change inside the new list. Could be forms name. Okay, right. So we can inside of it we show always to see that name of that form. Okay, save that. Now going back to the CRM forms and update previous page. So we need to update that page to fetch data which we recently created. Go to default values, add field, and go to the forms name. This one. All right. And so we, by default, we got form number 1. That means that default values of that form, which will be hidden fields values, will be form number 1. Also, we can create form number 2. So we are working now. So we're saving that. And we need to define a form. Okay, form number 1. Or just like this, form 1. Okay, save. Okay, going back. So we got the name, we got the form number 1. Now we need to create a new one. So we can just simply copy this. Right, and activate it as well, and edit. Go to default, go to other settings and change the name of that form number 2. So it means that we collected the same data. The only difference for that forms will be name of a form and default value of that form. Form number 2. Right. So we got form number 1, where default hidden values of form number 1, and we got form number 2, which are default hidden value of form number 2. Right. So you can open that form and you can copy that code and publish on your website. Okay. So for better understand which form we're using, I'm going to edit form. So edit. And so I got form name, form number 1, but I need to change that name. For that, I'm going to form feature, settings, and we'll put here form 1, and I will change one form 1. Okay, good. So I'm coming to another form, which it will be better if I'm going back to the list of the forms and going form number 2, edit. So go to settings and form 2. Here, form 2. Form 2 as well. Save. Right, coming back. So I got form 1. If I'm clicking it, open new tab. So I see form number 1. If I open another form number 2. Right. So I'm going to sales automation, and now I want, for example, I got 2 different documents for each form, right? And I need to run immediately. So it means that once somebody will leave their contact details and new lead created, email will send immediately. So condition, very important. We go in here and selecting lead. Inside of the lead, we selecting form name. Form's name, and is select equal to and set form 1. Okay, that means that if somebody will leave data in form number 1 here, we will run that email. Select. So from EMCsoft and subject, and subject for form number 1. Right. So we put in here some special text. Body for form number 1, and also we can connect special file, attachments, drive, upload file, and we have a proposal for form number 1 in PDF, and selecting this. Okay, and client address type. So after select, which is first email you see, and so ignore the rest one. Good. Right. But for the second form, you need to create another robot. Create, customer communication, send email to customer. Again, run immediately, condition, and lead. Search here, forms, name, select equal to, and if we got form number 2, select. And after select, and subject for subject for form 2. Okay, and we put body here. Okay, client after select was added, attachment drive, upload file, and so we're selecting the second form. Right, save. Right. Let's do the test. Put in here my name 111, surname 111, and my email, and some phone number. So by clicking this, accept that and send. Good. Now I got lead. Okay, lead created here, and let's check that lead. So I got contact name, phone number, and I have outgoing email. And let's check. Right, so we had send to, sending from, send to, body, and most important, we have special form designed for form number 1. Okay, that works. Let's delete that, and let's test form number 2. 2. And email. All right, by clicking, accept, send. Good. All right, we had another email, another lead. Let's check that lead then. Open it. Right, so contact name, contacts, phone number, email, and open outgoing email. Right, so we got text which we put it, and also which is more important, we have proposal for form number 2. Right. So let's check my personal email if I got this both. So as you see, I got email for proposal for form number 1, and I get proposal for form number 2. Good. So this is how you can use a combination of customer communication robots together with forms, CRM forms, and hidden fields. So that was a business case, and if you like that video, please click like. If you got the questions, put your questions in the comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.